Welcome to this beautiful fully furnished two-bedroom apartment for rent, offering a perfect blend of comfort, elegance, and modern living. Situated in a well-maintained and secure neighborhood, this apartment provides a peaceful atmosphere with easy access to essential amenities. As you arrive, you are welcomed by a spacious parking area with a breathtaking view of the apartment building, which stands tall with its contemporary architecture and well-designed exterior. Approaching the apartment, you step inside to find a beautifully designed living room, fully furnished with high-quality modern furniture. A plush, comfortable sofa sits elegantly in the space, complemented by a stylish coffee table and a TV unit, creating the perfect environment for relaxation. Large windows allow natural light to flood in, giving the room a bright and airy feel. Adjacent to the living area is the dining room, thoughtfully arranged with a sleek dining table and comfortable chairs. This space is perfect for enjoying meals, whether alone or with company, and its open concept design makes it feel connected to the rest of the apartment. Next, the kitchen presents itself as a well-organized and fully equipped space, featuring modern appliances, sleek countertops, and ample cabinet storage. Whether preparing a quick breakfast or a full meal, this kitchen provides everything needed for a smooth cooking experience. The layout is both practical and stylish, making it a delightful space to work in. Moving to the first bedroom, you find a spacious and beautifully decorated retreat. The room features a cozy, high-quality bed dressed in fresh linens, ensuring a comfortable night's sleep. The thoughtful placement of furniture, including a bedside table and a wardrobe, adds to the room's functionality and charm. This bedroom also comes with its own private bathroom, designed with elegant fixtures and a spa-like feel. The bathroom features a large, glass-enclosed shower with modern rain shower fittings, providing a luxurious bathing experience. Stepping outside from this bedroom, you find a lovely balcony that provides a refreshing outdoor space. Whether enjoying your morning coffee or unwinding in the evening, this balcony offers a peaceful spot with fresh air and pleasant views of the surroundings. The second bedroom is designed as a shared space, featuring two well-placed beds, making it ideal for guests, children, or roommates. The room is thoughtfully furnished with storage space and cozy decor that creates a warm and welcoming atmosphere. This bedroom also has its own dedicated bathroom, designed with modern fittings and a clean, polished look to ensure both convenience and privacy. It features a spacious walk-in shower with high-end fixtures, allowing for a refreshing experience. This fully furnished two-bedroom apartment offers a perfect balance of comfort and elegance, making it an excellent choice for a relaxing and stylish living experience. Thanks for watching. For more details, check description below.